Here we come, walking down the street. We get the funniest looks from everyone we meet. Hey, hey, we're the monkeys. People say we monkey around.
This is unbelievable.
We're too busy singing to put anybody down.
This is bizarre. Look at this. Hello, hello, hello. Okay. Okay, you got it? Okay. This is unbelievable. I have a monkey on my head. Hello, Venga.
Hey, hey, we're the monkeys. People say we monkey around.
Unbelievable.
We're too busy singing to put anybody down. We're just trying to be friendly. Come and watch us sing and play. We're the young generation, and we've got something to say.
This is crazy. Oh my God. Look, here comes another one. There comes another one. Oh my gosh, Panchita's here.
Guess who'll be standing there? Hey, we're the monkeys.
This is unbelievable.
People say we monkey around. We're too busy singing to put anybody down.
Oh, straight up, really straight up. No, like this, like me.
Okay.
Yeah, straight.
Oh.
Yeah, like this. Wait, like me.
Unbelievable, dude. Look, this is hysterical. This is hysterical. You should see his face.
And people say we monkey around. We're
Dude,
too busy
man,
singing.
Alex. This is Dr. Doodle right here. This is the Doodle man. He calls the monkeys, dude. He calls the monkeys. Like, yeah, look at all this homemade
We're the
Panchita
young
thing.
generation,
This is
and we've got something to say.
Oh.
Maybe you don't believe me when I was calling the monkey.
No, I was like, oh, he's calling to Mango. Okay, this is one of his. This is part of his marketing act, you know. Look at this. Here comes. Look who's behind me. Hey, Alex, look who's behind me on my head.
Oh, yeah.
Uh-oh. Wait. Oh, he's on top of it. Oh, sorry, man. He took my hat off. I got monkeys. Dude, there are monkeys. These are all over the boat. Look at them. Dude, the monkey just took his banana. This is crazy, dude. See this monkey? Look at you. Oh my gosh. They're all over the boat, dude. These are all over the boat. This is hysterical. Oh my God.
You're so bad you get a film.
This is crazy, dude. Look at this. They're all over the place, dude. It's a monkey fest. Oh my God. Look at these monkeys. This guy's trying to take my hand.
Oh my God.
Look at him. Look at this guy. This is hysterical. Dude, I got cameras going everywhere. Look at these monkeys, dude. They're all over us. Here, focus the camera. Dude, I've got a lot of things I'm trying to focus on here. You want it? Look at these little dudes. Dude, this is crazy. This is crazy. These are okay, Panchita.
Take the hat out better.
Okay.
Take your hat.
Oh.
You have out.
Easy, Panchita. That's okay. Okay. Oh my gosh. Dude, look at that one's a baby over there. There's one of the babies right over there. See, right behind you. Right out there. Look at he's got a baby. He's got a baby right there. Uh-oh. Hey, these guys.
Tyson, he was kissing you. That's the alpha.
Oh, really?
Only
Really?
You know why? Because he was the juvenile on the boat. And standing in the boat. That's why he's friendly with the guy.
Dude, this is absolutely crazy. I don't have any right This guy, dude, he's on the boat. He's gonna drive. Look at him.
Okay, let's take this baby home.
Let's go. Let's go. There's more of us.
I'm the captain now.
Look, there's more of us than there are of them. Okay, Panchita. Oh, Panchita wants to know. Okay, Panchita. I don't have anything, Panchita. Dude, we see them all over the boat, man. Crazy. This is the whole band of the baby here. Oh my God. This is unbelievable. This is unbelievable. This is crazy.
The monkey party on the private jet.
There's a monkey party. We could on a party with the monkey.
Yeah, exactly. They don't like it.
He doesn't like my hat, man. He's taking my hat. I like my hat. Take my hat. Oh my God. Okay. This is hysterical. Look at them all crawling back there. This is nuts, man. Oh, he's got a baby.
Running to and fro, hard working at the mill, never fail in the mail, yet come a rotten bill. Too much monkey business, too much monkey business, too much monkey business for me to be involved in. Salesman talking to me, trying to run me up a creek, say you can buy it, go on, try it, you can pay me next week. Too much monkey business, too much monkey business, too much monkey business for me to be involved in. Blind, half good looking, trying to get me hooked, want me to marry, get a home, settle down, write a book. Too much monkey business, too much monkey business, too much monkey business for me to be involved in. Same thing every day, getting up, going to school, no need of me complaining, my objections overruled. Too much monkey business, too much monkey business, too much monkey business for me to be involved in. Something wrong, dime gone, will mail, order suitor operator for telling me a tale. Too much monkey business, too much monkey business, too much monkey business for me to be involved in. Been to Yokohama, been fighting in the war, army bunk, army child, army crows, army car. Too much monkey business, too much monkey business, too much monkey business for me to be involved in. Working in the filling station, too many tasks, wipe the windows, check the tires, check the dollar gas. Too much monkey business, too much monkey business. I don't want your botheration, get away, leave me be. Too much monkey business for me.
Where is he? And here we have the male of the species.
Panchita, come.
Listen, dude. That is
¿Qué pasó, güero?
Venga, venga, aquí, venga. This is Tyson. Venga, Tyson.
Hey, Tyson.
Venga, Tyson. Venga, aquí,
This is
venga.
unbelievable.
Oh my God, wait.
On our boat, dude.
Venga, Tyson. I tried to put a monkey in your head.
Bizarre. Look at this. Hello.
I got it, Mark. I got it.
I have a monkey on my head. Hello, Vinka.
It wouldn't be the best.
Oh my God.
Monkey kisses.
And stroll right into town and be just like the other men. I'm tired of walking around. I want to walk like you, talk like you too. You see it's true.
He's giving you a kiss.
This is Panchita. Panchita,
Oh,
venga.
the little
This
monkey.
is Panchita.
Hey, Panchita, he's got a little baby. He's got a little baby. Ah!
This is Panchita here.
Hi
Okay,
there.
turn around.
Hola.
This way,
Here, Mark, do mine.
Make a video. Watch out with the sunglasses. It's like when monkeys got with the tail and push down in the water. Okay.
Hi there. Oh, he's so
Put the head straight up. It's better. No, like this, like me.
Oh, straight.
Yeah, straight. Oh. Yeah, like this. That's better. Wait a minute. Look at me. Look at me. Oh.
Ah, monkey kisses.
That is unbelievable, dude. Look, oh, this is hysterical. This is hysterical. You can see his face.
I am the
Dude, you're the man, Alex. This is Dr. Doolittle right here. This is the Doolittle man. He calls the monkeys, dude. He calls the monkeys. I'm like, yeah, this homemade Panchita
Now
thing.
don't
Dude,
try to kid me, man.
this is crazy.
I made a deal with you. What I desire is man's red flag to make my dream
Maybe you
come
don't
true.
believe me when I was
Now
fucking
give me
the
the
monkey.
secret.
No, it's like, oh, he's calling to mango. Okay, this is one of his. This is part of his marketing act, you
Give
know.
me the power of man's
Look at
red
this.
flag.
Oh, here comes. Look who's behind me. Hey, Alex, look who's behind me on my head.
Oh, yeah.
Uh-oh.
Wait.
Hey, don't put my camera down. Oh, sorry, man. He took me out.
No, you don't take it. It's when
All
we
right,
jump
come
in
here.
here.
Okay, I got monkeys. Dude, there are monkeys. Dude, they're all over the boat. Look at them.
Hey, ¿quieres ser rata?
Dude,
You saw that?
Dude, the monkey just took it. He took his banana. This is crazy, dude.
Puta
Look at this
magnesio,
monkey.
magnesio.
Look at this. Oh my God. Dude,
Monkey dashing.
dude, they're all over the boat, dude. Dude, they're all over the boat. This is hysterical.
Dale ahí, rata. You saw that? You gotta film more. This
This
monkey
is
skipping
crazy,
everywhere.
dude. Look at this. They're all over the place, dude.
Oh,
It's a monkey
man.
fest. Oh my
It's monkey
God.
party. Monkey see, monkey do.
He's trying to take my hand.
Oh my God.
Look at this guy. This is hysterical.
Wow, look at him.
Dude, I got cameras going everywhere. Look at those monkeys, dude. They're all over us. Dude, I've got a lot of things I'm trying to focus on here. Do you want it? Look at these little dudes. Dude, this is crazy. This is crazy.
Take your second, the hat out. Take your hat out.
Oh my God, they're everywhere.
Look at that one baby over there.
Okay. Where is she? Hey.
It's because Tyson who was kissing you, that's the alpha. in this
Oh,
Oh,
really?
It's the only alpha that's coming in the boat.
really?
You know why? Because he was a juvenile before. I'm coming in the boat. That's why he's friendly with everybody.
Hi. Somebody's eating my head.
Dude, this is absolutely crazy. Okay, I don't have any more. Oh, right here. Oh,
Hi. Somebody's eating my head, man.
oh. Okay.
Pirate, hombre. Coño.
Indeed.
Cuño.
Oh.
Ay.
Panchita, venga.
Ay.
Vaya. Venga, Panchita. Panchita, venga. Venga, Panchita.
Dude, I had no idea. I thought we saw one. We're like, okay, we saw one. This guy's gonna come on the boat. No, he's not just gonna come on the boat. No way. He's gonna. This is crazy. Look at this dude.
He's make faces to the old one. You see that?
Oh, look at that one. He's in the water.
Oh wow. Look at him. He's walking in the water, man. He's drinking.
Here you go, little dude. Lick my hand.
Look at him.
Hey, ¿qué pasa?
Look at the size of those teeth. That's pretty scary. It's a good thing they're friendly, dude.
That's a peel. This is just a peel.
Oh, he got the lottery, man. He got the whole thing.
No, that's just a peel.
But he likes it.
They lick the peel and throw it in the water because they don't eat it.
Oh, they don't eat the
Oh,
peel?
the peel? Oh, they
Yeah,
just lick the peel.
just lick it.
Hello, little guy.
Look at this guy.
Oh, look at Panchita right here in the boat. Look, Panchita.
Oh, my God.
Oh, it's on the rudder.
Ah! He's going to drive. He's the
He's
captain.
on the boat. He's going to drive. Look at him.
He's going, okay, let's take this baby home, man.
Oh, let's go.
Okay, I'm the captain now. Look at me. Look at
There's
me.
more of us than there are.
I am the captain now.
Oh, Panchita wants more.
Panchita's here.
Hola.
Oh
Aww.
my God.
Look at how it's
Look at this little guy.
This is unbelievable.
You can't.
There's a monkey body on the boat.
Cerveza para todos.
There's a monkey body.
No more monkey
Yeah.
jumping on the bed. My little monkey's jumping on the bed. One jumped up and bumped his head. Mama called the doctor and the doctor said, no more monkeys jumping on the bed.
Oh my gosh.
Eight little
He's gonna call somebody. Oh, there's Bunchy. Oh, there. Wait.
bumped his head. Mama called the doctor. The doctor
He's gonna call
said,
somebody.
no more
He's gonna call his girlfriend.
jumping on the bed.
Hey, mamacita, tenemos.
Seven little monkeys
Oh my gosh.
jumping on the bed. One jumped up and bumped his head. Mama called the doctor
I
and
want
the
to see him
doctor
French kiss you.
said,
Take your hat off.
Ah, he took your head
I
off.
like the hat. I don't like the hat.
76 little monkeys jumping on the bed and one jumped up and bumped his head. Oh, mama called the doctor and the doctor said, no more
Hola.
monkeys jumping on the bed.
Yeah, he did good.
They don't like the hat.
And one jumped up and he bumped his head. Mama called the doctor and the doctor said, no more monkeys jumping on the bed. Four little monkeys
That's why I don't want to take my hat, dude. If he
One of
takes
them
my hat,
jumped
he's
up and he
gonna love
bumped
it.
his head. Mama called the doctor
Anyway,
and the
guys,
doctor
can't really
said,
do this the way it
no
looks.
more monkeys gonna jump on the bed. Three little monkeys jumping on the bed and one jumped up and he bumped his head. Mama called the doctor and the doctor said, what is y'all doing in that bedroom? Now there's two little monkeys left jump on the bed. One of them jumped up and he bumped his head. Mama called the doctor and the doctor said, no more monkeys jumping on the bed. One little monkey jumping on the bed. Hey, he jumped up and he bumped his head. Mama called the doctor and the doctor said, no more monkeys jumping on the bed. No more monkeys jumping on the bed. No more monkeys jumping on the bed. No monkeys gonna jump on the bed. No more monkeys jumping on the bed.
Audience, okay, hold on. Okay, so this is our friend Alex, man. He's our tour guide.
What's your last name, Alex?
Alex, what's your last name?
Alex Arauz.
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 How do you spell that?
A-R-A-U-Z.
And
Arauz,
he was an
okay.
awesome guy. This is crazy, Alex. He knows
Amazing.
monkeys better than Tarzan. This guy, he is Dr. Doolittle. He's the Dr. Doolittle of Costa Rica. Now, Alex, you're going to take us through your repertoire, all of your different kinds of calls, bird calls, animal calls. Just do like each one, like a few seconds of each one. Okay, go for it, buddy.
Good. As a white-faced monkey, make that sound. The howler monkeys. The grasshopper. The wood creeper bird. The heron. The greenback heron.
Wow.
The wren. the great Kiskadee. The wild chicken. That's it.
Awesome. Woo!
Wait, how do you call the monkeys?
Binga, 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 binga.
Yeah.
Hut.
What about Tome?
Tome.
And how do you call the white people? Cabron, cabron, cabron,
Coño.
coño.
Here we come, walking down the street. We get the funniest looks from everyone we meet. Hey, we're the monkeys, and people say we monkey around, but we're too busy singing to put anybody down. We go wherever we want to, do what we like to do. We don't have time to get restless, there's always something new. Hey, we're the monkeys, and people say we monkey around, but we're too busy singing to put anybody down. We're just trying to be friendly, come and watch us sing and play. We're the young generation, and we've got something to say. Oh. Anytime or anywhere, just look over your shoulder, guess who'll be standing there? Hey, we're the monkeys, and people say we monkey around, but we're too busy singing to put anybody down. People say we monkey around, but we're too busy saying